Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have another unboxing. Yes, I know you already know that from the title. If you're new to my channel then hi, hello, I'm Adeela. Nice to meet you. If you're not subscribed then honestly I don't really know what you're thinking, okay? Definitely wait for you to subscribe and join us over here if you're luxe obsessed, into handbags, jewelry, that type of thing. So I'll give you a couple of seconds to do that first of all before we get into this unboxing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much, and if you're a returning subscriber I appreciate you also. And it is hot in here. I have an unboxing from LV, Louis Vuitton. So let's get into it. I'm actually excited for this piece. I've wanted this piece for quite some time, so let's just get right into the video. Here's the box. I have the box. Oh! But first, it's that time again. It's that time again. It's that time again. It's the time again. Okay. Having my own little moment there. So let's unbox this box. I'll open it for you. I did get a ribbon with this, but I've already opened it. I've already started using this, but I reboxed it for you. Okay, so here it is in a dust bag that's a little bit small, but it's okay. And I got the Louis Vuitton agenda. This is the GM size. Now I've wanted this piece for quite some time. I don't know, I just didn't really pull the plunge in it, and then when I really wanted it, it actually like when we started quarantine, it was quite hard to get it, so then I kind of gave up on it, and then I was like, you know what, I really want it because I'm somebody who always jots things down on paper. I'm very traditional in that way. I don't really, like, I do use a laptop, computer, whatever, you know, and my phone to create memos, that type of thing, but honestly I'm always gravitating towards paper. I always have. I'm just a little bit traditional in that way, okay? So I finally found it and I went ahead and bought it. I went for the GM size. They do have 3 sizes. The GM, which is the large, MM, which is the medium, and the PM, which is the small. I went for this size first because I wanted to have one that I can kind of use at home more so than take it out. I will most likely buy the medium as well, but for now this is what I have. I've had it for a little bit, so I have been using it. I did take the inserts out. Only arrived yesterday actually. I had some like temporary ones that I was using, so the actual inserts that I ordered from Cloth and Paper only arrived yesterday, so it's kind of nice to utilize it in the way that I intended to. But for now, let's quickly just have a once over of the piece. So it has a little button closure here. Of course it opens up into a full A5 size agenda. So that's the size paper that you fit in this agenda. It's size A5. It has 6 rings. It has a little pen holder over here. It has these flaps here that you can put like business cards and that type of thing, and it has a pocket in the back. And 3 sections that you can utilize. As I said, the front pocket, this middle bit, and the bit in the back there. But rest assured, I will, as always, of course, have a more detailed video, and once I've used it for a lot longer, I will kind of give you my recommendations and things like that. But for now, I did just want to show you my recent little purchase, which really was a couple of weeks ago, but I take my time to unbox. Yes, it is a wraparound piece of canvas. It does have that brown interior, which I think is called Anna something, Anagaric, Anna brown. It has gold hardware here, which is for the button. I love it. I think if you're somebody who has been considering this, like I was, and didn't want to take the plunge, because this retails for $840 with tax here where I am, which 9.25%. It takes it to about $915. Now for somebody who doesn't journal a lot, that's kind of like, well, why spend that much on a journal, on an agenda cover basically? But for me it is worth it because I'm very paper based. tend to lose all the papers because they're just like everywhere. But with this agenda, I can keep everything in here and be a little bit more organized with my planning and organizing meetings, that type of thing. So here is our newest purchase. I'll give you a quick once over. Ever so quickly, I am using a new mic today, so if it is a little bit rustly, I apologize. I still need to figure out the right placement, like the lapel mic, which is attached to my top right now. So if it turns out a little bit I'm so sorry, I'll figure it out for the next one. But here is the item that I unboxed today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Of course, as I said, I will have another video for you guys coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. But I don't want to kind of recommend anything right now because I'm still getting the hang of it and the feel of it using this agenda. It's merely just a quick unboxing, so I hope you appreciate that. But other than that, me and the agenda, we'll see you guys in the next video. Of course, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, then definitely subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? Join us over here in the Beauté community. And if you haven't had enough, then definitely keep on watching. Maybe click that video over there or this one down here. I am on Instagram, follow me there as well. The giveaway for the mini pochette is still active. It ends on September 4th. So that's next week. Definitely go enter if you haven't already. It's for the mini pochette in the demi ebene and a mini pochette in the monogram print. So follow me on Instagram, join in. I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.